This is a short demo of OverQuota AI, software used by inside sales teams to improve productivity and performance. OverQuota is sales execution software. Whereas most sales tools today record the conversation and provide an excellent analysis and visibility after the call has taken place, OverQuota focuses on delivering real-time insight during the meeting, helping reps to ask better discovery questions or use more effective talk tracks, whether it be for handling objections or speaking to competitors. So let's go ahead and jump in. Inside of the Zoom app, you create templates and prompts. Templates are created to align to your sales process and best practices. For example, if you follow Medic, you might have a template like this with specific questions that reps should use to uncover metrics or economic buyer or decision process, and so on and so forth. Maybe you want to be more prescriptive in your templates. For example, when a rep gives a demo, you want them to also conduct some discovery. So in this example, I would use this template to conduct some discovery at the beginning of the call. And then as I demo each of these features of OverQuota, I ask these questions. You also create prompts. Prompts deliver real-time insights during the meeting itself. For example, if you have specific talk tracks you want reps to use when speaking to competitors, you would create a prompt similar to this. Then reps get access to this in real time, so they have what they need to be more effective. We've seen prompts used for articulating a trial process, pricing, speaking to competitors, or just handling common objections. Once you've built out templates and prompts, collectively that's your knowledge base. Then as a rep logs in and looks at all of their meetings in one place, they can see where they've prepared and where they haven't. So let's go ahead and prepare for this meeting that I have starting in just a few minutes. I'm going to click into it and create a plan from scratch, or I'm going to start with one of the templates that have been created for me. Then I can configure this meeting plan specifically for who I'm meeting with. So I might do some pre-call research into the individual, the company, and the industry, finding information that I want to use during this conversation. Additionally, I might add some other questions in here. And it's as simple as that. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and mark this as prepared so that I can see which meetings I've prepared for and which I haven't. When it's time to go to this meeting, I can either start it here or I can use Zoom's calendar functionality and just go ahead and click on it from here. OverQuota shows up into the Zoom as a co-pilot.
Recording in progress.
Where OverQuota differs from other solutions on the market is the real-time capabilities. So you can see here in my Zoom, I've got the meeting plan that we prepared for this specific call. At the top, we have the call time, so I can manage the clock. My talk to listen ratio is being calculated here in real time. If there was somebody else on this meeting with me and we were both talking, this would calculate in both directions as we have a collaborative conversation. Down here, we'll see the pre-call research that I prepared that I can use in this call. And then as I go through and ask these questions, for example, what is your goal for operational area this year or quarter? The system's going to hear that question asked and let me know that it's been captured here. This way, as I continue on to the meeting, I can quickly see areas I've covered and those that I haven't. So if I continue on and I'd say, I'm curious, who's responsible for operational area at your organization? The system again is going to hear that question asked, letting me know so that I can continue on through and conduct thorough discovery. Over here on the right, it's listening for those prompts. So for example, if somebody was on here and asked me, who are your competitors? The system's going to give me that information in real time so that I can use it to navigate that specific question. You can include other things on this prompt. For example, maybe you want to include questions that reps should ask when this scenario were to come up. Using real-time guidance like this during the meeting helps reps to follow their proven sales best practices and to be more effective. This has been the biggest gap that I've seen in the conversation intelligence space. The big players out there currently don't have a way to take all of those insights that they provide after the call and incorporate them back into the next meeting, helping to change rep behavior and ultimately business outcomes. We see real-time insights like this as the next iteration of conversation intelligence, as well as a strategic competitive differentiator from those existing players in the market. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we have a chance to meet and connect for a live demo.